Disclaimer: I'm not promoting any brands here. I'm sharing what we bikers need to kickstart our passion for riding. These basic items can be bought at an affordable price, and we can enjoy our passion for riding. Remember, always ride safely and carry all legal documents. Think about yourself and your loved ones. Stay safe and ride happy.
This is part 2 of accessories needed on bike. Please refer part 1 video for accessories required for the rider. First things first, very important, get the bike serviced before starting a long tour. Crash guard, always go for company fitted or buy from a trusted brand. This not only protects bike during a fall, it also provides protection of our legs. Hazard lights, if your bike does not come with one by default, then please install one as an extra accessory from the market. My bike did not came from the manufacturer, however, I got it installed from a reputed dealer. A working headlight and stop light. You can observe that many motorists don't pay attention to stop lights, particularly trucks and lorries. The stop light is there for a reason. Check the lights frequently. I do check every week. Rear view mirrors, never use bar end mirrors. BS4 mirrors vibrates a lot, but I get a glimpse of the vehicles using these. A puncture kit for a tubeless tire or spare tubes for spoke wheels, and learn how to fix it on your own. Trust me, it's a life-saving kit and learn it to do it yourself. A manual foot press tire inflator. I don't want to drain the battery, so I do carry foot press tire inflator. A chain lube. I lube chain for every 500 kilometers. A spare clutch cable. A spare accelerator cable, a tool kit, a jerry can for the fuel. I always make sure I carry couple of liters of petrol all the time. All relevant valid vehicle documents in digital copy and a set of hard copy including driver's license. In this video I have not stated about clothing, that is because I carry required clothing and not much. Remember, never speed when vlogging and touring, and maintain a good distance between other vehicles and drive with optimal speed. Always follow road signs. Whatever may be the situation, never engage in race situation with other road users. Avoid night ride. I prefer to have an early start and have never done a late night ride. Always sleep well at night, getting at least 5 hours of sleep. Touring should be memorable, not miserable. Enjoy riding and share your feedback in the comments section, please. Thanks for listening, and when you get a moment, please do subscribe and share this information with others.
Thanks for listening and take care. Happy, safe riding.